Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. I am your computer teacher Aisha Anwar. We have been studying about PowerPoint in our previous lectures. I have shared the various video links with you. I hope all of you have watched those videos and learned about PowerPoint. Today we are going to learn those things again, those who have practiced this already. It will be revision for you, and if you have not practiced already, so you have to watch this video carefully and you have to learn it from the very beginning. Today we will learn from the very beginning how to start and how to create a PowerPoint presentation. First of all, you have to open PowerPoint. To open PowerPoint, first of all, click on the Start button and search over here. You can see letters A, B, C, as PowerPoint starts with the P, so you have to scroll down and go to the letter P and open up the PowerPoint. Here you can see PowerPoint 2016. This is the one way to open PowerPoint. The other and the simplest, shortest way to open PowerPoint is just to type over here in your search bar right next to your start button. Just write it down, PowerPoint. So you can see PowerPoint option over here, click over it. Yes, this is the very first screen that is shown to you whenever you open or start Microsoft PowerPoint. Simply click on this button as close. First of all, close this window which is appeared in front of you. This is PowerPoint 2016. Maybe you are having some different version of it, so you might be having a little bit different layout of this. This is the latest version. No other version is released after this. Try to install Microsoft Office 2016 so that you can enjoy all new features of Microsoft. Okay, if you can see over here, it is showing me the different styles for the presentation. These are the different templates that are available. You can select according to your requirement. If you want to create a blank presentation, just click over it. If you want some themed or colored presentation templates, you can select any of this. For example, we are going to select this one. Simply click on it. This template is available in 4 colors. You can select either purple, blue, green or gray. I am going to select this blue one. I like the blue one, so I am selecting this and simply click on this create button. Once you click on this create button, your PowerPoint presentation is now ready to be made. This is the title slide of the PowerPoint presentation. So here it is written, click to add title. Simply click over here and start writing whatever the title of your presentation. For example, I am giving it the topic, my presentation. Or you can simply write down any topic which you have been given assignment. For example, hardware. We are going to make a presentation about hardware or software or whatever the title is. Now here you can see click to add subtitle. If you want to write your name, like I'm going to write my name or subject or any other detail. If you want to add over here computer SAA, I'm writing the abbreviation of my name, so it is your first slide is ready. Now, as all of you know that there are more than one slides in PowerPoint presentation. So now we have to add some more slides to add the detail. This is the title slide. Now we have to add more slides to add up the details. To add new slide, you can simply see the option written over here, new slide. Simply click on it and you can select the style of a slide. Whether you want a blank slide, you want a slide on which this blue color is on the top or on the bottom, or if you want to just add the title only like this. This is the one way to add the new slide. Or another way is to click over here in this pane. Simply right click over here and add new slide. By selecting this, a new slide can also be added. There is another way to add a new slide is to simply click over here and use the shortcut key, that is Control plus M. You have to hold the control key from the keyboard and press the key M from the keyboard. By this, you can add new slides. Okay, uh, as we have created our first slide, now we are going to make next slide. Here you can simply see that click to add title and click to add text, or we can also add some pictures over here, and there is so much things and features available that we can apply to our PowerPoint presentations. For example, I can give heading uh, types of hardware. Simply by clicking on over here, click to add text. I'm just clicking over here and start writing. There are two types of hardware: input devices and output devices. As all of you can see that I have written some text over here, but I am feeling the text size is small and I want to enlarge the size. For this, simply select the text that you want to change. You can see over here a number written as 16 plus. It is giving me the font size. I want to make it bigger, so I have to select some bigger number. For example, I want to select it as 40 or 44. Now you can see that I have changed the font size of the my text. Now I want to change the color of my text. It is so much easy. Again, you have to select the text and simply go over here. You can see that A written with this red color. If you put your mouse over here, it is also giving the label as font color. Simply click on that and you can see so many colors that you may like to select. For example, I want to select this maroon color. Now simply in this way we can type the text and change its color. Okay, there is another option to change the font style. If I want some other style, you can say see this right next to this the font size. You can see the font style or simply font. Click over here and you can see there are so many writing options. As I am rolling over these, you can see the change. Okay, let's say I want to select this Arial black. Now the font style of my text is also changed. I hope all of you are finding it very easy and it is very much enjoyable. Okay, Now I want to add another representation of this, like in form of sub diagram. So simply look at this, what I am going to do. I am on third slide now. I am coming to this insert option. You can see right next to home option, insert. Here you can see smart art. Just click on that. Here you can see different type of flow charts and mind maps. So I'm going to select this hierarchy from here, and it is for the types. Okay, I am simply going to write over here hardware. As we have discussed that there are main two categories of hardware: input devices and output devices. So now you can see it is the same information which is written in this slide, but it is now looking more attractive. You can change its color. There are so many options. Simply double click over here. Now you can see the option change colors over here. Click on that and you can select the different colors as according to your requirement. I am going with it. Now your PowerPoint presentation is looking more better and colorful. We can giving heading over here. Now diagram. Yes, spellings were incorrect. Now I have corrected those spellings. Now you can see that this gray region is known as ribbon. This ribbon has so many options, so many tabs: home tab, insert tab, design tab, transitions tab, animation tab, slideshow, review, view, and storyboarding. And you may not be having storyboarding in your version, but I am having because I am using 2016. Now in all the tabs you can see different type of options that are available. You have to go through one by one and practice as much as you can. All the topics that are given in your book or not, as much as you practice, you will learn as much as. So you can see there are so many options over here. Like in home tab, if I want to draw some shapes, I can draw from over here. The option is written over here. The same option is over here, insert shapes. If I want to draw some shape like circle, rectangle, triangle, or arrows, whatever my need is. For example, I want to draw a star over here just to make my presentation more colorful and attractive. You can change its color also. I'm going to select this purple over here. So the thing is, you have to try the features as much as you can. Here one thing is mentioned in your book, that how to insert header and footer. For this, simply come over here in insert tab. You can see the header and footer. Just select the heading. We can add date and time in header and footer. We can also add slide number, and in footer I am writing class 7. Simply, if you want to apply it on one slide, simply select apply. If you want to apply it on all the slides, simply click apply to all. Now you can see that here class is written The date is written and the slide number is written over here. This is slide number 1, this is slide number 2 as written, and this is slide number 3. And when you insert new slide, this number is incremented automatically. The date and the date is also written over here. Now if I want to add some pictures of input devices, what can I do? How to add pictures? There are various ways to add some pictures. For example, if I want to add picture, select this option picture over here. I don't have some impressive pictures in my laptop. Okay, for this we can also use the internet to insert some pictures. For example, let me show you. I am going to open Google. Then I am going to select some pictures of input devices. I am writing in search input devices. Okay, it is taking a little bit long. Let me open up internet browser. I am opening internet Firefox. I am opening Google. I'm just opening Google over here. I'm writing input devices. Yes, I'm going to open up images. For example, I want to copy this image. Right click on the image and simply copy image. After copying, come to the slide where you want to paste. Simply use the shortcut key Ctrl plus V. Press the Ctrl V or press the V. Otherwise, you can use this option to paste. Right click and simply use the paste option. So it is an easier way to add the PowerPoint in PowerPoint presentations pictures. Yes, like this you can set the size according to the requirement. Okay, once your presentation is completed, we have to run the slideshow to present the presentation. To run a slideshow, you can see this icon is present over here in right corner, slideshow, or you can see the option slideshow over here. So you can select from beginning, and this is the full mode of my presentation, which is about hardware. This is the hierarchical diagram of the types of hardware, and these are the input devices. So there were only 4 slides in my PowerPoint presentation, so my PowerPoint presentation is completed. I hope all of you have learned the basic of PowerPoint presentation, that how to add new slides, how to open PowerPoint, how to enter text, and how to enter pictures. I hope now all of you will practice and share your presentation with me. Already few students have done a great job regarding this. They have created a very good presentations and shared with me. Now I am looking forward for a more positive response from